Very good morning to all of you. Now I am going to take mock interview of Jharkhand English stenographer civil court interview conducted by High Court. Just try to listen the mock interview. No need to worry. Language is not a barrier, either English or Hindi, जिसमें आप देना चाहें मिक्स करके देना चाहें, but confidence matter because if they want to take your interview, the confidence matters a lot. Start from may I come in?
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, briefly introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Joy Bharti. I am from Bokaro City, Jharkhand. My father's name is Mr. Janardhan Prasad, and he is a businessman. My mother's name is Mrs. Sita Devi, and she is a homemaker. I have done my schooling from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Bokaro, and my graduation from Bokaro City College with English honors. And currently, I am working at Blue Technology as a computer operator.
Okay, why Bokaro Steel City is famous, Juhi?
Sir, Bokaro Steel City is famous for its steel production and its planned urban infrastructure.
Currently, it is increasing, still running, or little bit in diminishing phase in comparison with earlier.
Yes, sir. In comparison with earlier, it is the steel production is as same as earlier, and it also produce oxygen for Bokaro Hospital, Bokaro General Hospital.
Okay, what your father is doing?
My father is a businessman.
Okay, what is the business he is doing?
He is doing electrical business.
Okay, okay. Who is the CM and Governor of Jharkhand?
CM of Governor is Shri Hemant Soren, and Governor is
No issue. Who is
can't recall.
No issue. Who is Chief Justice of India?
Chief Justice of India is Honorable Justice B.R. Gavai.
Okay, tell me something about Jharkhand High Court and then work profile of English stenographer.
Sir, Jharkhand High Court has been established on 15th of November 2000 after partition from Bihar. And the work profile of a stenographer is to record and maintain all the data and to write the judgments of judges in shorthand and then transcribe it into the common language and to maintain the record of all the evidence of the prosecutor and defender.
Okay, who is the Jharkhand High Court judge currently? The new one?
Honorable Justice Tarlok Singh Chauhan.
Okay, and tell me something about the new constructed building which Modi ji has inaugurated earlier.
Yes, sir. The Jharkhand High Court new building is in the land of 165 acre. It is the largest new building among all the 25 high courts in India.
Okay, okay. You heard about English stenographer work profile? मैंने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है, इसका आंसर दीजिए.
Yes, sir. Sir, about English stenographer, the main work of English stenographer is to record all the judgments of judges and be loyal to the judge, be punctual, and to record all the judgments and the evidence of court in the shorthand and then transcribe it into the common language.
What is the spelling of transcribe?
TRANSCRIB.
Acknowledgement spelling?
ACKNOWLEDG.
Okay, what is the meaning of preceding and spelling of preceding?
PRECEDDING.
Its meaning related to court?
Proceeding is the whole process of a case, and hearing is the part of a proceeding.
Okay, good, very good. You told me that you are currently working also. In which organization?
In Blue Technology.
Okay, it's a private organization?
Yes, sir.
What would this knowledge will help you in this job, English stenographer?
Sir, I am good at typing, and my steno speed is also 95 to 100 word per minute. So, I think the typing will help me in this stenographer profile also. My typing speed is from 55 to 60.
Suppose after some time you will get a better job than this, then you will again leave the job?
Sir, my childhood dream was to become a stenographer, and I don't know about the future, but now as a stenographer, I will do my best for this organization.
Sir, after joining this, I don't have so much of time for study. And sir, actually, I am in this state also, and this job is very good for me. So I will continue with this like this.
Okay, sir.
Who is Attorney and Solicitor General of India?
The Attorney General of India is Shri R. Venkat Ramani, and the Solicitor General of India is Shri Tushar Mehta.
Okay. You have completed your graduation from Bokaro College in English
College,
Honors.
City College.
And you heard about Macbeth? Macbeth,
Yes, sir.
Macbeth के बारे में कुछ?
Macbeth, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it is a Shakespearean play. It is a very famous play of William Shakespeare.
Okay. Tell me something about one or two famous drama name and author name.
Sir, in the history of English literature, the most famous author is William Shakespeare, who is famous for his plays and poems. His famous plays are The Tempest, Macbeth, Hamlet, etc. And the most famous poem of William Shakespeare is Sonnet 18. And another one is Jane Austen, who is the most famous women English writer.
Any
whose
from
famous,
India? Anyone from
novels-
India?
Sir, from India, like Arundhati Roy, who won the Booker Prize for The God of Small Things, and Arvind Adiga, whose famous work is White Tiger, and Anita Desai is also famous Indian English literature writer.
Okay. Which type of precaution do you take at the time of daily work with जज साहब? क्या क्या precautions लेंगे आप काम करते समय में?
So the most important thing, I will try to be on time always. I will be punctual, and the most thing is I will try to do my do my task on that day particularly.
Very good. What is your hobby?
So my hobby is listening music and making the mandala art.
Making the mandala art. Okay, please describe what is mandala art.
So basically, mandala is a Sanskrit word which means a circle or center, and it is a typically it's in circle form, following the geometrical shapes radiating outwards. In Hindu and Buddhism mythology, it is used for meditation and concentration. And in ancient time, Tibetan monks were used to make a sand mandala, and after that they will destroy it to show the impermanence of life. And mandala art is basically used for stress relief and anti-stress therapy is also called.
If we will posted you in Hazaribagh, Palamu, Godda or anywhere in the district court, whichever having a district, so how will you manage? Because there are so much of issue means आप रहना होगा, खाना पीना होगा, as a manage करना होगा, कैसे manage करेंगी?
Sir, at the time of form filling, I knew that I have been posting in any district of the Jharkhand. So I am able to manage anywhere in the Jharkhand.
Okay. Which are the qualities you are having so that we will select you? हम आपको क्यों select करें?
Sir, for this profile, I have a good steno speed and a good typing speed, and I am confident about my skills, so I can manage the working profile of a steno.
Okay. One or two questions from my side. Last one or two questions. Okay. When Jharkhand is separated from Bihar and when we celebrate Gaurav Janjatiya Divas?
Sir, on 15th of November 2000, Jharkhand is separated from Bihar, and 15th November is celebrated as Gaurav Janjatiya Divas on the birth anniversary of Birsa Munda.
Good. Very good. As you told that currently you are staying in Bangalore.
Yes, sir.
So from Bangalore to Jharkhand you will adjust in rural areas or with the lack of, because criminal cases होंगे, civil cases होंगे, बहुत तरह के लोग आएंगे, आप यहाँ सबके साथ adjust कर लेंगी?
Sir, I am born in Jharkhand. Jharkhand is my native place, and I have recently shifted to Bangalore, so I don't have any problem to live in Jharkhand.
Okay guys, now I'm going to give feedback. Nominal interview is of 4 minute, 5 minute, 6 minute, 7 minute, लेकिन मैं ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस कराऊंगा क्योंकि बच्चे कंफर्टेबल हो पाए, वहाँ पे फील कर पाएँ ओके, मैं इनको फीडबैक देता हूँ। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं, अभी जो भी इंटरव्यूज़ चल रहे हैं, गुजरात हो, आपका झारखंड हो, दिल्ली हो, मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। मेरा नंबर है 7503235358। मैं खुद बोकारो स्टील सिटी बोकारो ज़िले से हूँ, आरा का रहने वाला हूँ। दोनों जगह हमारा घर हुआ। आप मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। मैं फ़िलहाल दिल्ली में हूँ और हमारा रिज़ल्ट हमारे चैनल पर है, आपको क्वालिटी दिखेगी। ओके, और धन्यवाद।